Hello, everybody. First, let me apologize if you hear some background noise. They are working in my backyard, and it's going to be maybe a little loud. I'm going to try my best to do this a little bit as fast as I can because I know they just got back from lunch, and I was trying to do this before they got back from lunch, and here we are. But we are here to talk about how Kate Moss will be testifying tomorrow in Johnny Depp's defamation trial against Amber Heard. A source close to Johnny told Vulture, and it was also mentioned on Rakita Law's channel today while he was going over Johnny's witness list and those who will be testifying. Kate Moss, her upcoming testimony was first reported by the New York Post. She will be testifying via live video, though on Rakita Law, he thought it would be interesting to see her there in the courtroom because we all know Amber is very jealous and she wouldn't be too happy that she would be actually there in the courtroom if she was there. Her testimony stems from Amber Heard making statements on the stand that alluded to a rumor of domestic violence, an incident actually between Kate and Johnny when the pair dated back in the 1990s. Amber had testified that she hit Johnny in the face during a fight in the spring of 2015, fearing that he would throw her sister, Whitney, down the stairs. Amber, describing the incident, said on May 5th that she didn't hesitate and didn't wait. She just, in her head, instantly thought of Kate Moss and stairs, and she swung at him. Amber had also referenced Kate Moss during Johnny's UK defamation trial, at which she reportedly described hearing a rumor that he had shoved a former girlfriend who she believed to be Kate Moss down a staircase. During cross-examination on May 17th, Amber was asked to explain her reference to Kate by one of Johnny's attorneys. The attorney asked Amber if she thought he was going to throw her sister down the stairs, like he had thrown Kate Moss down the stairs. Alluding to the allegation, Amber responded that she heard a rumor, a big rumor about that. Now, by calling Kate Moss as part of its rebuttal case, Johnny's legal team can use her testimony to undermine Amber's credibility and potentially provide an alternative narrative about how he treated romantic partners. On Thursday, Amber's team called actress Ellen Barkin, which she testified about a friendship and later brief sexual relationship with Johnny Depp. Ellen Barkin's description of Johnny's behavior was not exactly flattering. Ellen said that Johnny was a jealous man during their relationship. She claimed that Johnny accused her of cheating after a scratch that he had seen on her back. Ellen said that Johnny was routinely drunk and on drugs, and once in Las Vegas, Johnny lost control. She testified that Johnny threw a wine bottle across the hotel room in one incident in Las Vegas when they were shooting Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. Ellen testified via a pre-recorded video deposition. The disagreement that, the alleged bottle hurling was between Johnny, his assistant, and his friends, and not with her. The bottle didn't strike anyone. And she testified that she didn't know why he threw the bottle. Johnny has denied Ellen's description of the bottle throwing, and their relationship ended not long after that. Ellen said she went to go home and there was a big goodbye with crying and a lot of jealousy. She stated that he was always telling her what she could and couldn't do. She never heard from him again after that. Now, Johnny and Amber have accused each other of domestic violence. He is suing her over an article in which she identifies as a victim of domestic violence, but did not use his name. Amber is pursuing a counterclaim against Johnny, claiming he denies defaming her. Closing arguments are expected on Friday. Now, I'm kind of excited to see and hear Kate Moss's testimony and what she has to say regarding Johnny's relationship with her. And I think it'll be interesting to see another perspective of another romantic partner that Johnny has had. I don't understand some of the claims that have been made in this trial. It is a very interesting trial. I think that Johnny Depp's team is doing a incredible job at their cross-examination of different witnesses. And right now, they are the ones calling witnesses to the stand. And I just feel like they're doing a good job. I've worked in a law firm before. I have seen how attorneys do different trials and how they compose themselves and just how they put together their whole argument. And this is one of the best trials that I have seen with the attorneys and their cross-examination and just all of the evidence that they've put forward and how they've put forward with their testimonies with different witnesses on the stand. So I'm excited to see how this is going to happen. Right now, the Johnny's defense team has, as of yesterday, they had 15 hours. We'll find out how much they have after today. But yesterday, Amber's team only had 4 hours left to cross-examine the witnesses that will be called. It'll be interesting to see. Johnny is supposed to take the stand as the last witness called. And as Rakita Law suggested, it's a way for his team to have the jury hear one last time Johnny's side of things before they go into deliberation. So this will be interesting. Again, I am so sorry for the background noise. I cannot control these guys, and let me tell you, waking up at 7 o'clock in the morning when they're jackhammering outside your window is not a fun experience. So I'm sorry for the noise, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Definitely check out Rakita Law, check out DUI Guy, check out Emily D. Baker, because they're all covering this case. I had said in a previous video how DUI Guy was there in the courtroom now twice to see different testimonies and also give his perspective of what he saw from the jury, because we don't get to see the jury from what we are watching via video. So it's interesting to hear what he sees and what he sees when different witnesses are on the stand, and how the jury is kind of taking, you know, these witnesses and the way that they react to them. And I know one juror is just done with this whole trial, and DUI Guy was explaining how he was just checked out and ready to go, and he wasn't paying attention at all, which it sucks, because this will be determined based on their decision. So I would, if I was a juror, I'd be paying very much attention to everything that was being said and the testimonies given. So, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will be back to update you more on this trial, as well as other celebrity and influencer news. So enjoy it. It is beautiful out where I am, and I hope it's beautiful out where you are. Bye, everyone.